all my dear friends. Myself Harshada Madhukar Vaidya. Today we are celebrate 78th Independence Day. Many years ago, India was not a free country. British ruled over us and made many unfair rules. The day marks the anniversary of the national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. In 15th August is a very important day in Indian history and in the heart of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with full spirit of patriotism, and because India becomes of independence after lots of hardships and long struggle, in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. Our freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives at an early age. Lokmanya Tilak convinced the Indians of the importance of freedom by shouting that Swaraj is my birthright and I will get it. He further strengthened his movement against the British Empire by asking sternly whether the head of this English government was in place. Subhash Babu raised a powerful armed revolutionary force called Azad Hind Sena against the British, making an emotional appeal to the Indian saying, "तू मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." Our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was the supreme person to carry out the nationalistic movement. He gave an Indians a great lesson in non-violence. Chandrasekhar Azad said that अगर अभी भी जिसका खून न खोला तो वह खून नहीं पानी है. अगर अभी भी जिसका खून न खोला तो वह खून नहीं पानी है. जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है, वो बेकार जवानी है. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India to raise the national flag at the Red Fort near Delhi. In that place, Nehru said that at the stroke of the midnight hour when the world sleeps, India will awake for life and freedom. A moment comes but rarely in history when we step out from old to new. India discovers herself again. Colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies straight and purely. In the center of our flag there is an Ashok Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. I will say, तीन रंगों का नहीं है वस्त्र, यह भारत देश की शान है. तीन रंगों का नहीं है वस्त्र, यह भारत देश की शान है. और तीन रंगों में रंगा हुआ यह अपना हिंदुस्तान है, यह अपना हिंदुस्तान है. Freedom is the most fundamental thing in life and there is no value for it that can be paid. A person can do anything to achieve his independence. So today on the occasion of Independence Day, let's make a promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood, helping everyone and educating our friends. Now I would like to finish my speech with a few lines. कातिलों के मुक्ति का विधान हो गया है यहाँ, कातिलों के मुक्ति का विधान हो गया है यहाँ, आज भ्रष्टाचारी भी महान हो गया है यहाँ. बाल रहे उनके सर पर ताज, हो रही है आरती, जल रहा है सारा देश, रो रही है भारती. इस रोती हुई मातृभूमि को जो सुकून दे और देशद्रोहियों को जो गोली से दूर दे, ऐसे सरफरोश का हमें प्रकाश चाहिए, ऐसे सरफरोश का हमें प्रकाश चाहिए. Freedom is mind, making words, pride in our heart, memories in our soul. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to deliver a speech over